Hi guys, and welcome to the video where today I will be taking you through all the many different uses of the roughneck scarf / snood, whichever you prefer to call them. And the first few styles that we're going to look through are best suited for cold weather. So with a personal favourite of mine, we're going to go ahead and start with the first one, which is the simple scarf. So you just want to scrunch it up, pull it over your head, and then it is over your neck, being very good for keeping your neck warm, because we all know no one likes to have a cold neck. Secondly, we're going to look at the mask. Again, another simple one where if you're wearing it from the scarf, you just pull it up to over the bridge of your nose to then cover your ears as well, so you can cover the bottom half of your face, just like that. Very simple. And thirdly, we are going to look at the whole head. So if I just pull it down as if I was wearing it like a normal scarf, and then you just pull over from behind the ears, get the hair out of the face, and just like that you can keep your whole head warm throughout any outdoor activity that you can do. So this next one is a little bit trickier and will take a few attempts to try and perfect. This is the one that people call the Balaclava. So we're going to start by slowly pulling it over the chin, just like so, getting a little pinch, pull it down, and then a little bit more, pull it back up, and there you are. And the best part about this one is that it keeps your neck, mouth, nose, ears, and whole head warm. Perfect for when you want to get on those ski goggles. And the next few that we're going to look at are better suited towards the summer weather. Better for keeping sweat out of, obviously, no one enjoys having sweat in their eyes or in their mouth. So the first one we're going to start with is if you take it from a scarf and you just pull up just above the eyebrows, and then the tail end just let down. Just like that. And when wearing it in this way, it just means that not only do you have the sweat protected from getting into your eyes, but it also means that the back of your neck is also protected from the sun too. And after that, we are going to take it back to a simple headband. So again, going back from the scarf, you want to scrunch it up and then just pull it up to above your eyebrows, just like that. Perfect for keeping the sweat out of your eyes, and also perfect for keeping hair out of your face too, pushing it back and leaving any sweat that goes there in the wind. Okay, and so the next style that we are going to be looking at is the bandana. So what we're going to do is get your scarf and just stretch it out a little bit. Stretch it out so it's nice and flat. And then you want to reach one arm through and reach the other end, and with your other arm go through and reach the other end. Once you've done that, you just want to pull, making it form a knot in the middle. Now with this knot, you want to pull it down or up depending on head size, just so it makes it a bit more comfortable to wear. And once that is done, you just place it on your head like so, and there you have it. There is the bandana. Perfect for keeping the sweat off your brow, keeping the sweat out of your eyes, and also keeping sweaty hair out of your face, which, as we all know, nobody likes to have. And so with this next one that I'm going to show you, what you want to do is you want to get your scarf nice and straight, but this time you're going to turn it inside out. Like so. And then, keeping it together, you will just place it onto your forehead and throw it back onto your forehead. Now, keeping the side on your forehead staying there and keeping a pinch of the other side. With this side, you just want to pull it through like that, which again keeps the sweat out of the brows, and it will also protect the top of your head and the back of your neck from the sun. And finally, just so you know where it is at all times, good little wristband. And that's all of them, guys. I hope you get to find many uses throughout all of these scarves or snoods, as I said before, depending what you prefer to call them. And don't forget to buy all Roughneck products, which are available on the website, which have been included in the bottom of the video this whole time. And thank you very much, guys.